Hey everyone, I wanted to share another keyboard build with y'all, and I think this is going to be a special one. This board is going to be themed around plant/botanical elements, and I think this wooden case definitely helps achieve that theme. You can find this kit on AliExpress, and I'll have the links for all the parts I use in the description. Next up, I'll be using the glorious Panda switches. I don't often use tactile switches, but these Pandas have become one of my favorite tactile switches. I'll also be replacing the included stabilizers with GMK clip-on stabilizers. Alright, let's jump into the build. The first thing was to disassemble the switch for lubing. I decided to lube the switches because while I did like the tactility it offered out of the box, I felt like there's a lot of extra noise and scratch, and I find that lubing the switches with Krytox 205 Grade 0 smoothens out the actuation without losing much tactility. Once I finished lubing the switches, I lubed the stabilizers and installed them on the board. I also installed the switches, both steps not shown in this video. For the keycaps, I first went with this set because at the time this was the closest thing I found that looked plant themed. Shortly after receiving those, I found this set that closely resembled the GMK botanical keycaps, and I knew I had to get my hands on those instead. I think going with these was a better choice, but you can find both these keycap sets also from AliExpress. In the end, I think this board turned out amazing. The whole build took a lot longer than I expected, but I think the time spent was worth it. I'll end this video with a sound test. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.